The house of amigos. Getting their driveway poured.
There was an old truck parked behind the barn. Daddy said it was there when he bought the farm, and it'll be mine when I'm old enough to drive. He said that it may not look like much, but every cowgirl needs a pickup truck. When it's done, you won't believe your eyes. Now it's powder blue with a new V8, CD player kicking George Strait. My cattle dog has fun riding in the back. It'll pull a horse on down the road 'cause it's so fine, even though it's old. I wouldn't trade nothing for my cowgirl Cadillac. When I go to the rodeo where they park them trucks, bro.
Here in the state of Missouri. Yeah! Big day!
Well, I'm gonna look at it. I left about 5. Well, I could probably put about 10 in it, make it easier on you.
Alright, here we go. Get it mixed up. Make sure I stay out of the way. They know. The house living amigos know what they want.
I might be able to get there. I'm gonna walk that.
There we go. Look at that consistency. Nice job. You guys see that? I don't want to get too close because we're going to be pouring, but can you see that? Look at that. Nice job. Nice consistency. Look at that.
Woohoo! She went flying. Where are we going next? Right up here?
These guys picked a pretty good day to get it done here in the state of Missouri. I got some help now. Finisher. filling in, getting the finishing touches done, making sure all the high spots are taken care of. Then they're just going to finish this corner, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done.
There was an old truck parked behind the barn. Daddy said it was there when he bought the farm, and it'll be mine when I'm old enough to drive. He said that it may not look like much, but every cowgirl needs a pickup truck. When it's done, you won't believe your eyes. Now it's powder blue with a new V8, CD player kicking George Street. My cattle dog has fun riding in the back. It'll pull a horse on down the road 'cause it's so fine, even though it's old. I wouldn't trade nothing for my cowgirl Cadillac. When I go to the rodeo where they park them trucks row after row, I hear those cowboys yell when I drive up. Daddy told me to pay him no mind. Cowboys yell all the time. I guess they're all in love with my old truck. Now there was an old truck parked behind the barn. Daddy said it was there when he bought the farm, and it'll be mine when I'm old enough to drive. He said that it may not look like much, but every cowgirl needs a pickup truck. When it's done, you won't believe your eyes. Now it's powder blue with a new V8, CD player kicking George Street. My cattle dog has fun riding in the back. It'll pull a horse on down the road 'cause it's so fine, even though it's old. I wouldn't trade nothing for my cowgirl Cadillac. When I go to the rodeo where they park them trucks row after row, I hear those cowboys yell when I drive up.
Alright, there we go. Looks like that's all they get. Now they just gotta finish it off and finish cleaning and making it look pretty. Just like what they did over here. No, I can't help them out. Can't do it. Not good on the heart. Just gotta add some to the driveway to make it nice and level. They're taking their time and making it look good, brother. That's right, Depp and Chestnut here in Sedalia, Missouri. This house is ready for sale.